my dear students. Here one more problem taken from the trigonometry of 10th standard CBC or state syllabus. Here the problem is cosecant A minus sin A into secant A minus cos A is equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. This thing you have to prove that. Here I want to take first LHS and then RHS. So you are going to get the what equality. Here observe carefully. First I want to take the what LHS part. LHS part. Here the cosecant A minus sin A into secant A minus cos A. Here cosecant A, that is the reciprocal of sin A, don't forget. Here I want to write that one. So that is 1 by sin A minus sin A, write as it is, close by bracket. Here secant A, that is the reciprocal for cos A. So I wanted that one is what? 1 by cos A minus cos A, close that. Here nothing means what 1, here is nothing means 1. I want to take the LCM. Which is the LCM? Sin A is the LCM. Sin A is the LCM. Here 1 1 is 1 minus sin A into sin A, sin square A. Okay. After that, here also take that cos A is the LCM. Cos A. 1 1 is 1 minus cos A into cos A, cos square A. Close that. Here I want to write 1 minus sin square A as cos square A. You know that relation, sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Here I need 1 minus sin square A, transpose that 1, that becomes minus cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. Therefore 1 minus sin square, what I am going to write? Cos square A divisible by sin A into 1 minus cos square A. Here also, okay, so transfer that cos square A, that becomes minus 1 minus cos square A. In place of that, what can I write? Sin square A divisible by cos A. Here I want to write cos square A as cos A into cos A, sin square A as sin A into sin A, divisible by sin A into cos A. Here we divide sin A 1 za, sin A 1 za, cos A 1 za, cos A 1 za. What thing left? You are getting sin A into cos A. This is the what thing left. Take this as expression 1, that belongs to what? LHS side. After that, I want to take the RHS side, that is 1 divisible by tan A plus, this is RHS side, don't forget, tan A plus cot A. It is equivalent to 1 divisible by, here tan A, that can be expressed as sin A by cos A, sin A by cos A plus cot A, it is taken as what? Cos A by sin A. Very simple. Tan A can be expressed sin A by cos A. Cot A expressed what? Cos A by sin A. So after that, here I want to take the LCM in the denominator. Here I write separately sin A by cos A plus cos A by sin A. Take that LCM, sin A into cos A, that is sin A into what? Cos A. Here cross with these two, sin A into sin A, sin square A plus cos A into cos A, cos square A. You know that one, sin square A plus cos square, here only written 1. So I want to write that as what? 1 over sin A into cos A. In place of this, I want to write that is 1 divisible by 1 over sin A 1 over sin A into cos A. Take the reciprocal for this. So if you take reciprocal, then whatever that becomes sin A into cos A by 1. Here nothing but what? Sin A into cos A. Here observe that LHS part, that is equation 1, that is sin A into cos A. Here take this equation 2. Equation 1 and 2 both are same. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. So in this way you may take the proof. So very nice proof. So my dear students, please practice this step of the problem. And thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Share my channel. So try to subscribe my channel. Thank you one and all.